Right, I've bolted a piece of aluminium plate to the face plate or whatever, and I'm going to try probing it in the Z-axis and take a 0 off the top of the plate, and I'm going to move the A-axis around a little bit and then come back to 0, probe it again and see just how repeatable we are. So at the moment we probe the Z-axis. And we're at a micron, well, more or less, whatever. Right. So now what I'm going to do is rotate using the hand wheel the A-axis. You see that's going around. I'm going to bring it back to 0. Well, I'm going to try, because for whatever bizarre reason, whoever set this probe system up, it's impossible to do any MDI or manual moves if you're in hand wheel mode, and when you're in hand wheel mode you're stuck in hand wheel mode or manual mode or vice versa. So I can't MDI this back, I've just got to try and bring it back, bearing in mind now we're coming back in the opposite direction to what we just rotated, so any backlash should be prevalent. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to probe it again. I'm just wandering around there. Touch probe. And that's come back at 5 microns. Minus 5 microns, bearing in mind we're about 200 millimeters in diameter.